Hey people, so there is this movie called Life starring Ryan Reynolds, and it's about that's what like the opening scene, all of it tells us about how life must be for astronauts, in this whole space capsule that is it's about a certain intelligent life form, they bring back from Mars, which doesn't turn out to be here honestly. Now with all this lockdown and the fact that a virus can has pretty much crippled the planet. I'm recording all this in my balcony. I'm just sitting outside, and still I can make out the difference in the quality of air. I mean, outside, if you sit long enough, you begin getting a cough. Yeah, I mean, it's crazy. I think I need to sit with a mask when I'm sitting in the balcony also. But anyway, so a movie like Life, which is about this certain extraterrestrial life that is very that turns out it's dangerous. Such movies are dangerous to watch. Yeah, I mean, it's like, I don't know, keeping in mind the current political climate, or not just political, yeah, health climate or whatever. So anyway, people, but try and watch it. It's called Life. It's among the top 10 trending films on Netflix. And Ryan Reynolds, as always, is super cute. So, and it will give you a peek into the life of astronauts. I mean, how I think it's been shot in really, Hollywood films, right? So they recreate it like down to the last detail. So it's beautiful. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.